I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your iPhone is up to date and your audio device is connected. Once done, open Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. You want to change how the hardware buttons affect alerts versus media. Turn off Change with Buttons so the ringer and alerts keep a steady level. This makes the physical volume keys adjust only in call or media contexts when the appropriate audio source is active. Make sure you can reproduce both a call and a media playback for testing next. Now you'll set call volume and media volume separately. Place or receive a call and adjust the on-call volume with the side buttons. This adjusts call audio only. Once the call ends, play a song or video and swipe into Control Center to change media volume without affecting your ringer. If you use Bluetooth headphones or a car system, make sure their onboard volume isn't overriding the iPhone. Adjust both device and iPhone levels until they behave independently. Finish by testing. Call someone and then play media right after to confirm the volumes stayed different. If the volumes still change together, disconnect any Bluetooth accessory and restart your iPhone, then repair the accessory because some headsets sync volume levels. Make sure Change with Buttons remains off for ringer stability, and use Do Not Disturb or a focus profile instead of muting to avoid accidentally linking behaviors. If problems persist, check the accessories manual for independent volume profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.